Dholuo for beginners. Nouns and plurals. Part 6. Noun class: Joe, Jacom, chairman, Jacom, chairman, Jocom, chairman, Jocom, chairman, Japuonj, teacher, Japuonj, teacher, Jopuonj, teachers, Jopuonj, teachers, Japuonjre, student, Japuonjre, student, Jopuonjre, students, Jopuonjre, students, Jamiel, dancer, Jamiel, dancer, Jomiel, dancers, Jomiel, dancers, Jariembo, driver, Jariembo, driver, Joriembo, drivers, Joriembo, drivers, Jatelo, leader, Jatelo, leader, Jotelo, leaders, Jotelo, leaders, Jaduong, elder, Jaduong, elder, Jodongo, elders, Jodongo, elders, Jatuo, patient, Jatuo, patient, Jotuo, patience, Jotuo, patience, Jadolo, priest, Jadolo, priest, Jodolo, priests, Jodolo, priests, Jamecho, thief, Jamecho, thief, Jomecho, thieves, Jomecho, thieves, Jajuogo, tax collector, Jajuogo, tax collector, Jojuogo, tax collectors, Jojuogo, tax collectors, Jatedo, chef, Jatedo, chef, Jotedo, chefs, Jotedo, chefs, Japin, citizen, Japin, citizen, Jopin, citizens, Jopin, citizens,